continue enjoying the peace and tranquility in this country as a result of the handshake of 2017. And you can actually see that spirit is what has helped us to overcome the very, very difficult moment that we are in as a country, where we have gone through an electoral process that experienced a leaguing of an industrial scale, something we have never seen or even imagined since 1963. And I really want again to commend the former Prime Minister, the leader of the party leader of Azimio, because of his ability to take this whole setback in style and with honor, because it is him who called upon his supporters to ensure that there is peace in the country. And I really want to appreciate him. I really want to commend him. He has really shown the leadership in him and the patriotism, his love for this country.